Wow, everyone's sick. The key symptoms seem to be fevers and sore throats, all signs of too much heat in the body. Sometimes this will turn into a cough as the pathogens move into the lungs. To relieve the heat and clear the dampness, I made this simple, soothing, cooling tea. Your key ingredients are dried apricot kernels, which strengthens the lungs and reduces cough. Dried licorice root, which nourishes the qi and clears the heat. Dried chrysanthemum flowers, which clears wind heat and clears the eyes. Dried honeysuckle, which clears heat and removes toxicity. Dried black-eyed beans, which clears damp heat and strengthens the spleen. And honey, which detoxifies and reinforces the spleen and stomach. Add all the dried herbs together into a stove-safe pot and boil on medium heat for 5 minutes, allowing the flowers to soften and open up. Once that boils, set it aside and let it cool before you add your honey. Serve and enjoy. It's an amazing comfort drink to help cool the body and soothe the sore throat. Get well soon, and I'll see you next time.